I wish you guys could hear the whine of the cams, the gear-driven cams on this thing. If you ever get the opportunity to ride an older Honda VFR, do it. The sound of the engine's just amazing. And then you realize how big and heavy the bike is. A 550-pound bike is a lot of bike. I told you there was nobody out here today. Nobody out here today. I think this is my girlfriend Tracy's birthday too. This is July 8th. Happy birthday, Tracy. I don't follow dates anymore, so... This turn right here always gets me, for whatever reason. It's always cool to see a couple of Porsches playing. A couple of adventure bikes. Nah. Ugh. But a couple of Porsches playing cat and mouse through the mountains. That's fun. Slaying the dragon in a Prius, holding up Harleys. That sucks. Yeah, there's nobody even coming up behind us. Now I got a van. They're probably full of campers. They're all singing dumb songs, won't get off, won't use the pull-offs. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. They used the pull-off. Mile and a half to get to North Carolina. I've been trying to sell one of those Can-Am Rikers to friends. I know 2 guys that are at that age where they would have fun, super fun, riding a Can-Am Riker. They can no longer ride a motorcycle, but I think they would enjoy getting back out there and zipping around through the twisties. The Can-Am Riker's small enough and it's affordable. And it's a better decision than a Harley trike. I gotta say, that run wasn't too bad today. That wasn't bad at all. It feels like everybody went home July 5th. When I rolled into the store on Monday, there weren't many people there. I'm thinking there's not going to be many people there today either. Today either. We'll see. Heads up, we're in North Carolina. Statewide speed limit's 55 unless otherwise posted. US 129 south of Tapoco Lodge is 55 miles an hour, not 30. Go the speed limit, geniuses. All right, welcome to the Deals Gap Store and Resort. There it is. There it is. Maybe what, 2 dozen motorcycles here? Yay! They getting their picture taken. They getting their picture taken. Ooh. There's nobody here. Nobody here. But you and me. Alright, this is it on a Wednesday morning. I will talk to y'all later.